Your data estate is bigger than your trust in it. Every day, more tables, more pipelines, more dashboards. And every day, one quiet question: can we actually trust what this number is telling us? For most enterprises, the honest answer is not really. The reason is fragmentation. A catalog over here, an observability tool over there, a separate glossary, bolt-on data quality, lineage that stops at the platform boundary, rules trapped in one team's heads. When something breaks, nobody knows where it started, who owns it, or which report will lie tomorrow. Trust becomes tribal knowledge, and tribal knowledge does not scale. Meanwhile, the ground has shifted. Data no longer just feeds reports. It feeds AI agents, making real decisions in real time. In this world, trust cannot be documented after the fact. It has to be engineered into every asset, every pipeline, every business term, every rule. That is exactly what RightSight was built to do. One AI-native platform, 4 powerful arcs. First, governance and trust. Model your business as a living hierarchy of domains. Catalog every asset across every platform. Bind business terms to the physical columns behind them. Author data quality rules once, reuse them everywhere. Second, AI baked into every layer. Our AI rule agent proposes data quality checks tailored to your data. Agentic profiling continuously benchmarks and re-benchmarks your tables. The AI data extractor turns messy files and databases into governed datasets. The test case harvester reads your specs and writes reconciliation scenarios for you. And query chains let you compose data workflows in plain English. Third, pipelines and lineage, end-to-end. RightSight harvests metadata from Snowflake, Databricks, Power BI, dbt, and beyond, and stitches it into a full data supply chain. Sources, transforms, and targets, with health overlays for freshness, quality, and drift. And fourth, the trust control tower, one executive view, the enterprise trust map, the data quality command center, at-risk assets, and a single trust score that moves as your estate moves. Here is what makes RightSight different. Legacy catalogs treat AI as a sidecar. Point observability tools see pipes, not meaning. Manual data quality suites still rely on humans to handwrite every check. RightSight bakes AI into every layer. Semantics, profiling, rule authoring, lineage stitching, root cause, not a bolt-on. The business impact is measurable. Trust goes up, one score, one truth across every domain. Time to insight goes down. New sources onboarded in days, not quarters. Cost goes down. Fewer tools, less duplication, less firefighting. And risk goes down, because sensitive data, broken pipelines, and stale reports surface before they hit your customers. This is data observability, end-to-end, with AI at its core. This is RightSight. Book a personalized demo at getrightdata.com/book-a-demo and see what engineered trust looks like in your enterprise.